Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about, people and how they should treat, speaking to other people about things that they wouldn't want other people to know. Basically, if you had something that your is bothering you and you normally would go to a friend and talk about it, she said it's best you go into a doctor's office, which is a therapist, to speak with a therapist, a counselor, whatever you may call it. You speak to them and they'll be able to assist you instead of going and speaking to a friend where you would be able to hear it again. Because in the US, you're protected by the HIPAA law, where the doctors aren't able to go and speak to anyone else about you. Whatever you say to them, it stays there. So that's what Marcia is talking about. She's saying now instead of people going to their friends and, talking about things that are bothering them, they could just go to a therapist, pay for a therapist, speak to them. You know that your secrets or whatever it is that you're battling is been kept safe with that person, and that person would also help you to fix your problem as well, by speaking to you, encouraging you, and giving you guidance as to how you could go forward. Now she's also having an addition to her sales. She's now selling detox tea, which is also a weight loss product, and she's advertising these now. So this is in addition to her sheets, her curtains, and her mats, and the other house essential things that she may have selling. So guys, she's moving in a different direction. And with all that said, as I said, she's approaching this and she's telling people how they can tackle different stuff as well. So guys, go ahead and go catch what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, have a happy, happy birthday. And yes, I wish you peace, joy, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, I just want to say to you all, have a wonderful day.
You understand? And true, me grew up in a one way too. But most of we make that transition for go and do cut up on a body and do something. Una supposed to see a psychiatrist. And seeing a psychiatrist is not a bad thing. Enough of una bloggers write up on social media, una need to see a psychiatrist. Because una cannot put no trust in people. Una need to put no trust into the doctor office that protect una right. The HIPAA law. So that means anything una tell them can't go out tell people. But enough of una take each other as a psychiatrist and telling it. That's why so much war upon social media now. Because people are coming and sharing them experience with some of una. But una self now come back and take care tell them. So it is when it comes down to nitty-gritty, matters is getting worse. So I advise, me now from the year started and certain things, me not tell my people, me not have nothing to talk really, but if me have something on my mind, I go to certain people with it, If me feel away or whatever it is, I will call her, but I don't talk to my acquaintances them like how me used to talk to them. Nope, no, I only Facebook foolishness I talk to them about. But if I have to go somewhere, I go to a auntie, and me go straight me go straight to the counselor and speak to them. So when I do it on social media right now, if we don't continue to tell each other on a business and talk certain things and things say on a secret, I keep anything, I keep it going dash right back out. Because money I run things now. Yes, my dear, money I run things. Me not have nothing to say to no friends out there or anything more than chat Facebook business. Chat to no. That's all. That is all I have. Or if we're making a little trips or going somewhere, but anything deep, me not have nothing to tell nobody. I mean, not see nothing deep. But Mr. tell us if me have anything deep, me must know who to go to. But otherwise, it's simple like a rash thing when they can come. Any little laugh off of a man, laugh off a woman, laugh off of Facebook and chat, but nothing deep. If me hungry now, if me could have go to my friend and tell me hungry, I would have never do it. You understand? If me want something, me wouldn't go and tell them me want it. No. But life like a situation, okay, Facebook so and so. So my boyfriend they come over last night and he brings a little flowers. Oh, them fuck there. But anything deep, me not talk that blood clot. No, me not talking. No, copy. So we have to learn from mistake. So I tell you, we don't have to find a way on ourselves. For love on ourselves. Yes, it's just that we're not strong enough mentally to lose the weight. Because losing the weight is a mind thing. You have to know consistent, like how me know a morning time. It's a mind thing. For me, I'm the same thing every morning. But me used to do this all the time. Me like oatmeal. But it's not easy sitting here eating this oatmeal. Because it don't have no taste. No sugar in there. Me only put the nuts, them and whatever, and the little apple sauce, avocado sauce right there. So it is, so it's a me now. I have to tell myself, say, Marcia, it is good for you. But it's not easy and I'm the same thing over and over. And that is one of the things too. When we go, that's why I love go Hartford. Because when you go to Hartford, Jamaican restaurant did it like crazy. Like the other day, I bought so many food in the fridge. And me no love me, I'm the same thing over and over. Me practice that. Every day a different food or something a little bit. And it is so hard. Me have to eat this in the fridge before I squall it. Yesterday me go to Hartford, I picked up see there? I picked up cabbage, and I'm going to the place, and I picked up some jerk pork, right? And I pick up some jerk pork, right? Because I have food in the fridge, and I said, I not touch, right? So I just eat, but I ate some of the cabbage. I ate most of the cabbage. And see there, the money waste. I right now the garbage, it over. Because me forget to put it in the fridge last night. Me forget to put it in the fridge. Me can't eat it. Because that's pork. Left and the heat was on to 80 degree in here. 78 degree. It wasn't in the fridge. I remember say cook from how no long. From the restaurant cooking from in the morning or evening. So me can't hear me. Because it and like saying you're cold. See there, right in the garbage. Right there goes right there. No much money waste. Come here, I eat it. Because I don't want to get sick. If you go eat food we left they can't play food now in America, you know. And them are sitting and stay in your belly and turn worm. Guess what I say? So this is the reason why me is very picky. Me can't cook. I can't cook really. Unless me have somebody in my yard to go enjoy. Because anytime I cook, me can't cook a little bit on the food. Me eat one time out of it and the food go right in the garbage. If you see me name some curry goat, if me buy a large curry goat, see me name it, me left it in the fridge. That shit stay in there until it throw away. Because through me I practice myself for over 20 years or more. 30 years, all my life. All my life. Not 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. I saw me tan. When I was married too, me cook almost every day. Me used to have some family friends used to come to my yard every evening. Come get food. You see how when Thanksgiving and Christmas when people come to my yard, all of the food them, when you see them I go away, I mean, come on. Sometimes even me call one family friend, she used to have took some kids. And she was in Dohara in ILPN. And she come pick up food every evening. And son, I'm full up and gone. I said, take it. I don't have the time for food. And then I don't have time for food. I don't know how let me tell you something. The reason why I'm so whatever big is my hormone problem. Once my hormone is balanced out, then the problem will solved. But I have hormonal problem. So me not process the food, and break it down as fast as regular people. So me know that once you're having regular hormone imbalanced, so you have to, once you have that, you're going to gain weight. And once you remove your gallbladder, your ass clot, you're going to gain weight. I'm telling you straight up. From me, remove my gallbladder, everything that's supposed to break down things. And if that not did ever break it down, that ass, the weight, they're not going nowhere. You could have shit until tomorrow morning. Everything you eat, you're going to put on weight. Anybody tell us that they don't put on no weight, go over YouTube, go see the thousands of testimony. Me see all one testimony, one woman said she gained 200 pounds since she did the surgery. Thousands of testimony is on YouTube with people who remove them gallbladder and gain whatever weight. So my weight is not because of me eating. Because me do, when me eat at morning time, I eat again until 12 hour time. I eat food. So is the hormone and imbalance. So when someone out there cuss people that talk about people big and people name too much, it's not the food, it's the hormone imbalance I do it. Me not ask you. So once you can get back to it, good luck. For your old age. You could have name less and name less not. You better get that. If you don't get that into correction, that is the reason why the detox tea, I was told it will correct a lot of things. The detox, and there's other product that she have that will whatever. Come and get your detox tea. I didn't start drink mine yet because I was waiting for the something them when me had to go with it, and so that's why it right. The Amazon tell me say it pick up now, it deliver, so I can measure it out and do my thing. So definitely tonight before me go to my bed, me pick it up at the distribution, so come and get my detox tea. I have detox tea selling. From Zebi Natural. I am me an independent salesperson for it. When I buy a product, she sell retail and wholesale. So I buy my wholesale one for as a businesswoman. Because when you're a businesswoman, you have to try every little thing. And since there's evidence proving that it works, if you persevere and eat the proper diet and take it, you will see improvement in your body. It's a puss and dog have the same look, so I try my luck. You understand? So I am going to try it. So in the meanwhile, I make my people we come up on page. If I order a dozen, and so if you them supposed to arrive at latest by Monday or Tuesday to the people who order. They're not here yet, but you can pre-order and pay for it. And me have the strainer, the something for put it in, and me also have the tea bags them for bag them out in. The bags them for bag them out in. So you can buy the package from me. Because remember, say this is not a tea bag, it's a loose. You understand? So you can let me smell it. Smell it. From me coming not even up my package for smell it, how it smell. Me like herbal stuff, come up herbal things in my yard too. I need to grind them up and put them all together. Oh, this I look like say you have some medicine that will knock you out your backside. Let me show you now how it look. So this is how it come. This is how it come. This is how it come. When you take it, she want you to take a teaspoon and she want you level off the teaspoon. She don't want you ice it up because it's very powerful, and she want you to do it in a 8 ounce cup of water, stay for 5 minutes. So this is how it look. And it's supposed to detox, purify your blood from diabetes, high blood pressure, detox your body from any chemical, anything we have in your body when not good for you. You're going to take this for 14 days and on. So you after you finish, you can continue. she recommend you stay on it for about 3 months to get the really improvement of it, to see a good effect with her alongside with her other products. So you're going to take a teaspoon of this, and also me sell the bags them. You're going to pour it in the like a tiny bags them, like a thread bag, and you're going to bag them out, or you can drop them in your cup. And also I'm going to sell some other things where you can drop them in like a strainer, and then you can put them in your cup. So I'm selling those things too. So you can buy 14 bags from me, and you can buy it. And when that done, you can come back, or you can buy 20 bags. You can buy whatever it is, and you're going to put it in your tea. This is in powder form. It's in powder form. But don't take this, put in your tea, you know. You're going to level it. She said to level it. Level the spoon, and drop it in there. And this is supposed to clean you out. It smell like some herbs in this backside, yeah. Yep, it smell like some things in here to make you. So it's So come on and get it. The bag is $40. It's $40 everywhere. So whether you choose to buy it from me, her, or any department place, we not support no department place, boy. Yeah. We are support the independent woman them. Yes. Yeah, so we know so we are. I am here. So that is how it is. She living in the UK too. The person who makes it living in the UK too. And anytime I cover my page, I'm telling you straight up. And this ain't no shade. I don't want to come over here and advertise by my page with any other company. When I say that, if I'm over here selling something, I don't want to come over here and mention Macy's, Amazon, Walmart, or nothing. That is blighting my business. So you can go over any other page, come talk it. Or anytime you come over my page, this is the rules and regulation. If you see me over here selling something, and that is my rules and regulation. And I'm keeping it real. If you're over here, this is my thing, and this ain't no shade. This is a business aspect right here. I don't want to come over here and mention nothing about no other establishment that is selling it. Because if I am selling it too. What I will do, the owner for the company, I spoke about her. I transfer the information to her, and but anytime I come over here, because that is like a dog whistling, that is taking bread out of my mouth. And I notice a lot of people want to do it, and when I say something, and I hope the owner don't feel anyway, it's a business proposition, because guess what? I'm buying these products to make money for myself. If you come over here and you start to advertise other properties and other places that are selling these products, then how am I supposed to make money from mine? Remember, the owner lady can't lose, because I'm buying it from her. And remember that she and I are selling it for the same price. I ain't selling it more. It costs the same thing on Amazon or any other way that I'm selling it. But somehow people, it is a fact that love to support millionaire people and billionaire people instead of supporting the owner sisters and brothers. So so anybody who come over here, and when me did their product and then come over here and say, oh, so me see the same sheet, them so and so, me a black one. So me see the same something so and so, me a black one. So I'm going to make sure that when time I come over here and see me selling something, I want to come over here and I tell me, say, them see to Amazon or see to a Walmart and see to and I'm blocking. Straight blocking. Because I know that people love to, they have been doing it to me. And I hope Zebby Natural don't feel no way, because I said you can't feel no way. Because I know people come over there and said, I know people come in, you listen to me, you watch me. He's a very intelligent woman. That's why me decide my mind to use your product and start listening to you. I know he's an intelligent woman, you haven't understand what I'm saying. Zebby Natural can't lose when it comes to me. Because I am buying it from her. So she's getting her money. You understand? She's already established. Her business is in many places. Her products. And not only that, the more I advertise it and people see the improvement in me over the next 3 months. her business is going to even go up higher, whether or not it is 20 or 50 people. Once them see me start losing some weight and start to feel better in myself, whatever, me come out and say, you know what, so me got a doctor, me drop so and so, so me got a doctor, me cholesterol gone up, so I'm staff, say the people, because even the little time that I come out here, few people had order this package. So when time when I care about news, we make sure to care about when I listen with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, with the intellectual ability to comprehend what I'm saying, and don't take it lightly and seems like I'm fighting against her